Yeah.
So let me take for marks only in this program into marks, and I'm going to initialize same example I'm taking. Same example I will take otherwise. So this is the way to initialize an array, is it not?
Yeah.
So let me take
Correct.
same example again. Like that. Okay. You know, marks of 0 position 90 is there. Marks of first
Correct.
position 78. Marks of second
78,
87. Marks
87,
of third
350,
50. Marks of size minus 1 5
fourth is
minus 1,
89.
that is 4.
Yeah.
89 is there. Now my intention is to find total and average. Okay, total and average obtained in so and so subjects. So generally for we are dealing with one dimensional array. So for one dimensional array, normally one for loop will come. Normal majority cases it will be like this. And I equals 0, I is less than. How many elements are there?
3, 4, 5.
5 elements are there. So iteration
Yeah.
should go, because indexing starts from 0, it has to go less than 5. Got
Yeah.
it? It has to go from,
Correct.
it has to start from 0, end at 4.
0, 4.
Start at 0, end at?
End at 4.
So less than 5 I have given. It adds meaning for that. And one iteration every time. So inside that, I just want to find total. So let me initialize another variable called as total here. Total equals 0. Initially, I have initialized. See, this is variable. Total is a variable. And what about marks? Marks is not variable. It is array.
Array. Yeah.
Which array? One dimensional array. And its size is 5. Right?
5.
So I have taken for loop, and inside for loop, see what I am doing. Just one small formula. Total plus is equal to marks of I. So what is the meaning of this? If you expand this, you know, shortcut assignment operator is used. If you expand, it will be something like this. You can easily understand. Total plus marks of I. Because I takes different shapes every time, you know. I is going to take different shapes because I is varying. Here, first time it is going to be 0. Second time it will be 1. Then 2, 3,
1.
4. So 5 iterations. So that's why I made I here. Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can understand the comment. It is which will be much easier for you. So initially total is, now let us study this. Initially total is 0.
0.
0 plus marks of 0. What is there? I told you marks of 0. What is
90.
It? Yeah. So 90 plus 0. How much you are getting for the first time? First time total will be 90 only. Next time I will increment, will become 1. 1 is less than 5. True. Marks of 1. What is there in marks of 1?
78.
78 plus what is the recent total?
90.
Yeah, 90 plus 78. So how much it is? 168. Yeah, 168.
Correct.
Done. 168. Next time I will take 2. Here I will take 2.
Yeah.
2 is less than 5. True. Marks of 2. True. What is there in marks of 2? 87.
87.
So marks of 2 will become 87. Yeah, exactly. So it will be how much it is? 87.
255.
255. Okay. Sorry.
I'm just using calculator, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Last is 15. 5. 1 will be transferred. Yeah. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. And 1 will be carried. Yeah. 2. 255.
Yeah.
That is true. And then I will become how much next time?
3.
3. 3. Yeah. 3 is
Yeah.
less than 5. Marks of 3. 50
Correct.
is there. 50 plus
Yeah.
255.
255 plus
305. 305.
305.
305. Next time I will become 4. That is also true.
Yeah.
Marks of
Correct.
4. 89. 89 plus 305. 904. Sorry. 4 not 4 not
394.
3 not
394.
94. Sorry.
394.
394. Right. Sorry. Where I'm typing. 394. Here I need to type. 394. Right. And for 5, there is no chance. So for loop on the disturb.
Yeah.
For loop got disturbed. Wait. I will rewrite this. Int I. How do you design? Int I is equal to 0 initially.
0.
Then semicolon.
Yeah.
I is less than or equal to. Sorry, no less than. You can write less than or equal to also. If you go with less than or equal to, we have to type 4 here.
Okay. Yeah.
Correct. That is also correct.
Yeah.
Otherwise, simply less than
5.
Both are correct.
Iteration.
Plus. That is how we design for loop. So finally, we came out of for loop. Once I reached 5, no chance. It becomes false now.
Yeah.
5 is less than 5. False. Come out of that. And what is the ultimate total which you had in the memory?
394.
That will work. Then you need to find average, right? That is very simple. Before finding average, let me display total. You know how to display total? System dot out dot println total equals. What is the variable name? That is the variable name, right?
Plus total. Yeah.
Now I want to find average. For that, you have to take variable, right? There is every chance to get decimal value. Let me take float.
Float.
Average is equal to, what is the formula? Total by how many subjects? 5 subjects are there. So you can write 5.
Yeah.
So you can write 5. You can write 5 straight away. But this will not work. It gives some other result. I will tell you. I will give the modification to this. The kind of problem you will be getting here, I will explain just a minute. First, I am going with the wrong one. Then I will correct and write that. This is equal to. So I am displaying average also and closing the program. And let us save this array demo 1. Let me create a folder by name arrays. Oh, mistakes, so many. What are the mistakes? 29, right? What is the mistake? system.out.print and then average. What is the mistake? Total by 5. Maybe it looks correct. Spelling mistake any? AVERAGE. Same spelling we have given. Wait. If I put a comment here, let me check whether the remaining portion is correct or not at least. Where I went wrong, let me check. Even now it is not working. Maybe, wait. This may be the problem. While initializing, size is not mandatory. In C++, we can do, I think. Maybe. Let me check. Yeah, that is a problem. Here I have given 5 now.
Yeah.
That 5 should not be given.
Okay.
While initialization, size is not required in Java. Okay. That is the only problem. Now you will get this also. But you will get a wrong answer. I will correct that. Wait. You should know why it is wrong. Then only you can correct that. What is the expectation of this program? Please, if you use calculator, you can find it quickly. What is the total by average? I mean, if you divide 394 by 5, how much you are going to get? Tell me, including decimal values.
78.8.
Yeah. 70?
8.8.
See the answer. Is it correct?
78.
Total is correct. Average?
Yeah. Slight difference.
Yeah. It may look like a slight difference, but see, you can know some exams are there like TOEFL and all these things. Even decimal values are required much badly. Even money matters. For example, if 0.50 pice is not a valuable thing, but if you multiply that with a few crores of money, then it will become few lakhs. Like that. It matters a lot. So that is the problem. So you are missing some data here. The problem is, let me explain here by putting comments. I will explain here. Here itself I will explain. I will not take another notepad so that. The thing is that, see at the right hand side, total is, because in mathematics you calculate, is it not? In maths we calculate. Total, we know 394, we know 5, if you divide, you know what is going to happen. Mathematics is different, but computer science just one step ahead. You should be more precise in your doing. So here what computer reads is, how computer reads, total is integer or not? Let me know. Is total integer or not?
Yeah, correct.
Where I have initialized total. Total is of type integer. So integer 5 is also integer. Integer by integer will give only integer. Okay. But see the left hand side, average. What is the type of average? Type means data type. What is the data type of average? Float. That integer, what is the integer you are getting here? Simply 70.
8.8.
Don't say 0.8, that you don't say, because
78. Yeah.
Integer by integer will give only integer.
Only integer.
And what is the integer here in this case?
78.
But left hand side, towards left hand side, floating value is there. That is why I can write like this, towards LHS, LHS, left hand side.
Yeah.
Towards LHS. Floating is there. Float is there. So implicit type conversion will take place. Internally type conversion, data type conversion will take place. So implicit type conversion will take place, and 78 converts into you can expect 78.8. No 8, no question of 8. 8 is gone. Because integer by integer leads to only
Integer.
Even though manually you are saying you are giving more value to manual output, that is 78.8, which you know, and myself know that.
Yeah.
But machine doesn't know that, because machine
Right.
treats integer by integer as int. That's why it
Yeah.
truncates the remaining decimal value. It ignores that and takes only 78. But towards left hand side, what I mentioned, towards LHS, what
Float
is
to
there? Float is there.
float.
So
Data type.
implicit, internally compiler will convert the 78 into 78.0.
78.0.
Now you got floating value, right?
Yeah.
Because left hand side you are displaying average. The average is of type float. Float means 78 equivalent float is nothing but 78.0. That's how you got 78.0, but it is not the desired output, right? So what to do? It is not the, but it is not, I will mention here, you can understand. It's not desired output. So what to do? There is a question, right?
Yeah.
What to do? Yes, there is a solution. Use typecast operator, typecast or type conversion operator. Okay, you can call it as type conversion or typecast operator. What is that? Float. I will write that in the programs. See, I will check that. So this will not work. So that, what is the eventual comment on this? This is not going to work for you. Logical error you are getting. Is it not?
Yeah.
You are getting output, but logic is not correct. This will not work. This will work, but you will get a wrong answer. This leads to logical error. Logic means formula is somewhere you are missing. This leads to logical error. What is that? This thing. So what is the correction for that? I am writing here. See, the correction for this is float is equal to, this is what I am saying. Use a typecast operator. I mentioned here. See here. Use, what is the solution? Use typecast operator float. Float means 1.0, you can assume. Okay. So that, what is going to happen? Now you read this. I will copy this statement here also. You can understand this. So this is the solution. If you can do like this, what is going to happen? We will discuss. Right. So if you write like this, what is the meaning of this? Let us observe right hand side. Float, let us say float is equal to, let us assume float is equal to 1.0. So that what will happen? 1.0 within bracket. Instead of float, you can write 1.0. And what is total? You know total. Total is 394.
394. Yeah. And
divided by what? 5. Right. So it will turn like this. Now tell me what is going to happen. That is nothing but equal to 3. Can I write like this? 394.0. Can I write?
94.5. Yeah.
394 into 1.0.
Correct. Yeah.
394.0. Right. Divided by 5. Now tell me, which kind of division is going to take place? What is numerator and what is denominator? Float by int will leads to float. That is nothing but the great answer is, what is the great answer? 78.8. You can't miss that decimal value, which is much required in some type of applications. Now you are not missing. There is no loss of data. So here previously we had loss of data. because integer by integer,
Correct.
computer is very keen. In humans are also keen, but our brain is doing that work. We are
Yeah.
just doing that so many times internally, and we know that we are very much
Yeah.
having somewhere internally that chip is embedded in our brain, and we can understand.
Hmm.
Even if you give int by int, we won't miss that decimal. And in mathematics, you cannot ignore that decimal value, and you can totally write that. But computer is more
Yeah.
specific in its, because additionally in mathematics we don't have any types of data, is it not?
Yeah.
No type of data in mathematics. Directly you write total is equal to average is equal to total by 5. You calculate, and
Hmm.
human brain will calculate that, such that we can't
Yeah.
miss any decimal value. In mathematics we are not having any data types, but here we are having data types in computer science, and it is more specific with respect to that. It is very keen in that. So that if you write a typecast operator, what is how it is going to change its completion? Float means, I told you, you can assume it as one
Yeah.
point.
0.0.
So that one, it turns right like this. The shape of this formula or expression turns, how it
Hmm.
turns. Float means 1.0 into
It-
394 by
Yeah.
5 leads to
Right.
394.0 by 5. Now the shape turns to,
Yeah.
previously it is integer by integer. Now it turns to
Yeah. Float
float
by
by,
integer.
there you are. So float by integer means numerator, obviously
Yeah.
it can result in float. That is a full-fledged output which we require, which we need.
Yeah.
That is
Correct.
70%. No type conversion is required. Again, you got at the right hand side itself, you got a full-fledged output, that is 78.8. Previously you got only 78 integer, but this time
True.
full-fledged decimal value you got, because
78.8.
the strong reason behind that is 1.0, which is nothing but this float. You have to put it in bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how it is executed. Now you can understand, I think, why we got. And now I will run this
Yeah. Yeah.
program, you can understand. I will run this, you can understand. Right, so explanation also I made as comment, we can easily understand. So let me run this program. And one more correction is that what we discussed earlier, we have to remove that 5. Is it not?
Yeah. Yeah.
We know number of elements are 5. So size is going to be
Right.
size of the
Yeah.
array.
It is and not. Yeah.
Since 5 elements are there, since
Yeah.
5, right, that is the meaning of that. Now let us run this program. You got full-fledged output. See the difference
Yeah.
in previous output
Correct.
and current output? Only one adjustment. We use a typecast operator. It
Typecast.
is called as typecast operator. For example, if you want to convert from float to int, then obviously you have to give int as typecast operator.
Yeah.
For example, if left hand side is int, right hand side is float, then use, if you want to get output in integer, then go with int as the typecast operator.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's how you can do. Understood this one? Any doubts, please ask me in this program.
No, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Same program, I want to accept marks from keyboard. Can we try one program? Because we have done it only
Yeah.
once during streams concept. Same program,
Streams
I will
one.
copy and paste. Same with slight adjustments. I will make all those slight adjustments. Wherever adjustments are required, let me do that. So you need to import. So whenever you want to accept data from keyboard, import statement is required or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
I got that.
Import
I
server
got.
dot
Is it
io
not?
dot star.
And
Yeah.
immediately I told you one thing. You have to write throws exception or IO
IO
exception.
exception.
You can write. And then inside first statement is going to be that buffered reader.
Yeah.
Word that br is equal to new buffered reader
Bracket.
bracket new input stream reader
New input string. Bracket system.in.
system dot in, right? Oh, sorry, spelling
Yeah.
like this, and here like this. Is it? And then
Correct.
our intention is to accept. Don't initialize. Let me accept marks from keyboard. Is it not?
Yeah.
So just let me declare like that. Array is declared. Okay.
Hmm.
And how many marks you want to enter? We have to question here. So let me write system dot out dot println. How many subjects? Just a clerk asks na, when we are going to appear for
Yeah.
some exam, cashier or accountant, he will ask before paying money, before ourselves paying money, they will ask how many subjects you want to appear. Is it not?
Correct.
You have to say four
Yeah.
or five, something like that. How many subjects? How many subjects is the question which I am putting. So immediately, if I say four or five, they are going to enter from keyboard. Is it not?
Yeah.
N is
Yeah.
the number of subjects, let us assume. So how to read that, parsing and all that story. You are going to type
Yeah.
integer.
Yeah.
So integer
Correct.
dot parse int within bracket br dot same story read line. This we have to write.
Yeah.
You have to close one more, right? Like this, isn't it?
Yeah.
So for instance, if I type only three subjects, or okay, fine, three subjects, or even five subjects, what is there? Okay, so that
Hmm.
how many iterations, it depends upon n. We are not sure
Yeah.
because from keyboard you are entering. It may go in any way,
Yeah.
three or five or any choice. So let me say
Hmm.
n. It all dependent on n, where n may be
Yeah.
three or five or any number. It
Correct.
depends upon your runtime entry.
Hmm.
Right. And here also some little adjustment is required. That is, so number of subjects you got and you design for loop. Now let me design like this. You are accepting marks from keyboard or not?
Correct.
So how to accept? Already marks is the array name. Into array, those marks
Yeah.
have to go. Marks of I is
Hmm.
equal to, and marks are also going to be integer. Integer dot
Integer.
int within bracket br dot line. Okay.
Yeah.
For instance, see, these are the marks which I'm entering from keyboard. Which I
Hmm.
entered. Let us take the previous example. The marks which I entered. These are the marks which I'm going to enter. Let us assume. Okay, you can take any set of marks,
Okay.
but already we have done it. That's why I'm putting the same list here like this, right? These are
Yeah.
the marks which I'm going to accept from keyboard. First time,
Keyboard.
let us see, first time I entered, it asked me, it has to ask, na? It has to ask,
Hmm.
otherwise
Hmm.
I understand, system dot, first time it asked number of subjects. We answered that.
Yeah.
Next time it is going to, immediately, because they are going to print some mark list, for example, for us. So we
Hmm.
are saying that we appeared for five. Then the clerk will type five. Immediately the machine should ask enter marks. Is it not?
Yeah.
Ask a question like subjects is decided. Already we asked how many subjects and we replied as five. They asked how many subjects. We replied five. They have taken input as five. That story is over.
Yeah.
Now the question is going to be what are the marks? I mean, enter marks. Immediately it will ask you, machine should
Yeah.
ask you, enter marks. So immediately from keyboard, you are going to enter. First one is 90. So 90 as
90.
a string is right, as a string, because
Yeah,
read line
correct,
reads
correct.
only strings. We have done that before, right?
Strings,
So that
correct.
90 will be converted into integer and put in
Integer.
marks of.
Marks, array.
What
I.
is the array? First initialization of array. What is that? I is 0 na? First time.
Yeah, yeah,
So 90
correct.
will reach marks of 0.
I, which is 0.
I is 0 na? First time. So study this
Yeah, yeah,
as
correct,
marks
correct.
of 0. Off. Marks of
0.
0.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is there? 90.
90.
Then what will become 90 plus 0? Same
Yeah,
story here. Same story.
same
Is
story.
it
Yeah,
not? Let me
correct.
close the brace here.
Yeah,
So I have kept braces this time because multiple statements are there inside for loop. Can you notice that? Multiple statements
sir.
are there inside for loop. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. Yeah.
That's why I have gone with braces here clearly.
Hmm.
Right. So first iteration done successfully. We got 90,
Correct.
90. Next, I will take 1.
Yeah.
1 is less than, what is n? Everything is
Uh,
there written. It is there
yeah,
already.
yeah.
Everything is there. 5. 1
Correct.
is less
N
than
is 5.
5. 1 is less than
Yeah,
5.
5. Correct.
So got inside. Again, your
Yeah.
system is going to ask you enter marks.
Marks. Yeah,
So again, you are typing something from keyboard. That is 78 this
correct.
time.
78.
It will be read as string, converted into integer, and put in
Integer.
marks of
I, which is 1 now.
marks of 1. That is the answer which is required. So
Yeah,
I will take different shapes every time at every iteration.
correct.
Is it not? So marks of 1,
Yeah.
what is the value present inside marks of 1?
Marks of 178.
Yes, yes. So now the
Yeah,
latest I is 1. Marks of 1, 78 is
yeah,
recorded. 78 plus
correct.
previous total is 90. Same story now.
90.
Same story.
Yeah, correct.
Next time I will take 2. You understood?
2. Yeah, yeah.
You keep on going like that till how many iterations you have to go like that. So 1 is
4,
okay,
5.
2 is okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah,
After 4, once I becomes 5, come out of the loop and
yeah.
register or record the final total, that is going to be
94.
394. And then same story for
Yeah.
finding average, is it not?
Hmm.
You can find average. Total, grand total is 394. But don't write 5. We
Yeah.
don't know 5. N.
N.
N. Don't never write 5. Go with,
N.
because you are accepting from keyboard na, and it is not
Yeah, yeah.
confirmed whether 5 or 6 or 7. So make it as
Correct.
N. Now let us save this program, and before saving, let us put it in this way. Let us run this. Oh, mistake. What is the mistake? Bracket mistake. Which bracket mistake? How many braces or brackets are required? 3. How many openings are there? See here. First opening,
1. Yeah.
second opening,
Second opening.
and
Third.
so
Yeah,
how
yeah,
many
yeah.
I
Correct.
closed? You should be careful
3.
there, right? You should be careful there. Now see. Oh, still. What is the problem? Array demo 2. Yeah. System.in. What is the problem in that? Method in is system.in. I kept unnecessarily this one, this is the problem. Got it? System.in is the
Yeah.
representation for keyboard. Unnecessarily I
Correct.
kept those brackets na. Only 2 openings, 2 closings, right? Now it will
Yeah,
accept.
yeah.
No issue at all. Unnecessarily I kept extra bracket. Now what is the error? One more. Variable marks might not have been initialized. Variable marks is not initialized. Okay. So whenever you declare an array, size is mandatory. Got it? You take some maximum size,
Yeah.
no issue at all. That is the problem. Now it will come. See how many mistakes. You understood each and every mistake.
Yeah.
Now still, oh, what is the problem? Legal start of expression int total marks 10. So 10. Why it is saying like that? Maybe I'll do one thing. Int total equals 0, marks of 10. Marks only I have taken. MER case marks, yeah. What is the mistake? Initialization is required.
మార్క్స్ జగలో ఐ రావాలా మార్క్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐ
కాదు. Somewhere we have done a mistake. What is that mistake? I couldn't get it. Where I went wrong. It is showing clearly. See, illegal start of expression. Maybe it is not accepting this shape. I will redo this. Just a minute. And I take again like this. Int. Just let me check. Works. Okay, fine. Still the same problem. Int marks of 10. It is not accepting marks of 10. Let me check just 1 second. I will check in other previously wherever I have done small mistake which I cannot catch right now. Let me check here. So here programs are not registered, I think. This purpose. Here it is. Arrays, right? It will be there. That program will be there. Don't worry. Now we can study this same program. See here. Okay, the way you declare one dimension, I thought of discussing that and I forgot telling you one more important point. Let me discuss that point also. Sorry, I forgot discussing that point. Yeah. See, whenever you are initializing, this is the, can you remember the way we initialize it here?
Yeah.
So declaration is a bit different. Let me explain how to declare a one-dimensional array. How to declare one-dimensional array, 1D array. There is one point here. So this is the way to declare. Int, you give array name like int marks square bracket is equal to, you have to give like this. This is the way you can inside brackets you have to give size here. Size you have to provide here like this. I think square bracket is, let me check once. Is it square bracket? Yeah, it is square bracket all the time. Yeah. So this is the way you have to declare a one-dimensional array. This is the array name. I can write here. Array name here you have to write. This is the syntax. Array name you are supposed to write. Okay, otherwise I can write data type. Int means data type, right? Syntax. This is the syntax.
Yeah.
Syntax looks like this. So we will write one example, then you can understand. So one example I will write here, you can understand. So that int, if marks is the name of the array, marks is equal to new int within bracket, you have to mention the size. For example, if the size is 5, you have to provide 5, and if the size is n, you provide n, where n is the size. Same step.
Yeah.
Copy what I'm doing. So whenever you are doing like this, what is going to happen? An array will be declared. What is the name of the array? If you do like this, the
Marks.
meaning I'm telling, marks is the name of the array. And can you see
Yeah.
new operator here? New.
Correct.
So an object is created. Can you believe like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So with size, what is the size?
N.
N. If n is equal to 3, for example, let us assume if n is equal to 5, for example, then how many memory slots will be created?
5.
5 memory slots will be created in contiguous like this. Marks here.
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Next one, marks out 1,
Marks 1.
then marks of
Marks of 2.
memory slot 2, and then
Marks of 3 and 4.
marks of 3, then marks of 4, and then of 4 done, huh? 0 1
4
2.
last. Yeah.
Yeah, last done. Right. So whenever you do like this, things will happen like this internally in the computer memory. Empty, because values are not there, na? Empty slots will be created.
Yeah.
Memory locations, just like empty bogies will be manufactured. Empty bogies, train bogies, just like
Yeah.
empty compartments are manufactured like this. But how many we have given order for? We have given order for how many?
5.
N is 5. So 5 slots will be created like this. 5 slots will be created. 5
Right.
slots. Created.
Yeah.
In that 5 slots, it is our job to fill it with data.
Yeah.
Same step I will copy and paste here. You will get that. You'll get answer. Wait. So this is wrong. Okay. In C++ we write like this, but here we have to write like this. Just a minute. Oh, it is not copied properly. Not properly copied. Otherwise, we will write what is there. How to write? How to declare? I will put a comment also, you can understand. A 1D array. How to declare a 1D array? Int array name.
Yeah.
Equal to new memory. Memory is
New.
Memory is
Yeah.
int type of data. And here
Correct.
N is the
N.
N is the size. And this step where we can write not here because you don't know N. Where the declaration of N comes, after that you need to write this. Is it not?
Okay.
So this is not the right place where you need to put this. You understood why I'm not writing this here?
Yeah.
I have to write after N declaration, means right after this, immediately after this I can do.
Yeah.
See, now the story is like this. N is already declared, and it is having some value also, which you are going to enter from keyboard, right?
Yeah.
So something is there in N. Now this is the time you can declare an array like this, because you know N may be 3 or 5. It is all dependent upon this input. And now you have done a memory allocation with 5 memory slots, right?
Yeah.
Meaning of this, immediately you should remember that contiguous memory allocation, right? Continuous memory allocation. 5 slots will be created. Now, remaining story, same story as we discussed. Let me run this. Then again, we will try to understand this. Now it will come. Sure. Success. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let us execute this. It will ask how many subjects. How it came? Please study this program now.
Yeah.
From here, system.out.print. How many subjects? Is it asking or not? Your machine is asking.
Correct. Yeah.
Immediately I typed 5. What will happen? Immediately 5 memory slots will be created, is it not?
Yeah.
Because we have declared one array. And what is the name of the
Yeah.
array? Marks is the name of the
Marks.
array. And how many memory slots are there in that? N slots are there.
N.
New means memory. How many memory slots accommodated?
N.
You are manufacturing 5 memory slots continuously,
Yeah.
sequentially.
Hmm.
Now our job is to fill those memory slots. So your
Correct.
machine is asking enter marks. Now you can type marks 90. It will reach the memory location marks of 0. Then you can enter 78. Then 87. Then 50. Then 89. So all the slots are filled or not? First we have empty slots. See this highlighted portion. So 5 memory slots, n memory slots are created. N depends upon your input. It may be 3 or 5 or any number. After that, we kept on typing those marks. Is it not? Enter marks. So 90, 78, 87, all 5 iterations done. And total is ready for you or not? Total is ready?
Yeah.
Now enter. You got total and also even average. Got it? Perfectly. Now, any doubt in this? Please ask me. So this is done already earlier. You know why we are putting IO? And I told during exception handling, I will tell you. Till then, please put throws IO exception. And you know the meaning of this language statement.
Yeah.
And then you know how many subjects, you know this. Okay. And then how to declare 1D array. Just now I told you. There is a way to declare 1D. Initialization is different from declaration. And then we have drawn a for loop followed with enter marks, and we entered some marks, and then we found total, and then we found average as well. Same remaining same code. Okay, just 1 second. Let me charge my laptop.
Sure.
Let's charge it. And now the next step is, shall I move to the 2-dimensional array now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right. So let us move to 2D array. 1D is done. 2D. So if you want to initialize 2D initialization, we will see first of all 2D. Will be like this. One for rows and another one for columns. You know, matrix. Matrix, you know, I think.
Yeah.
So one brace and again another brace. Without braces also you can do either 1D or 2D, but it leads to confusion. That's why generally I used to write braces to avoid confusion. Okay. Elements. I want to design a 3x4 matrix. You know, 3x4 means how many rows? 3 rows and
3 rows, 4 columns.
And total elements will be 3 into 4. That is 12 elements.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
This is my first row, 3x4. I want to move it. This is my first row. Put a comma and again like this. Otherwise, you can write in the next line also to avoid confusion. Like this. Wait. You can add here also to avoid confusion. I'm writing like this. You can write sequentially, but computer can understand whatever you write. But to let you understand, I'm putting one down the other.
Okay.
Second row, 3x4. 3. One more row is required for me.
Yeah.
Go with 3 by 4. Enough, na? 4 elements done.
Yeah.
And one more closing. That's how you initialize. If you take float, it is a bit different. So if you take float, how it will be, I will write. See, if I take float, I told you already, whenever you take float, you have to take some care, like 9.07 F you have to write.
Correct.
F you have to write.
Yeah.
We have seen this before, I think, somewhere. F. Only for float it is required. If you want to take double, it is not required, but for float,
Yeah.
it is required. Like this, you have to design. And what about declaration? 2D declaration also we have to look into, is it not?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put it correctly. If you take int, it is something like this. Int array is the name which I am taking, is equal to new int. Just now we have done for 1D, is it not? One for rows and the other one for columns, column size, like this. Got it?
Yeah.
So if you want to declare, like this. If you want to initialize, it is like this.
Yeah.
So we will do. Can I do one program on this also?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
In the memory slots, memory, how it will be created? It won't create like this. For your readability, I have written like this: 3 rows, 3 rows, 4 columns. But in the memory, it will be still sequentially only, whether it may be 1D or 2D. So same thing is applicable. So just like 1D, I will make one note here, you can understand. Just I will make one note. It is 1D or 2D, it is. Memory will be allocated sequentially. Means contiguous memory allocation is done.
Yeah.
Contiguous means continuous memory allocation will be. So for our readability, we have drawn like this, but in computer memory, it is like this: 980185210532. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more important point is, if you see this in this angle, if I close these two, how it looks? Does it look like 1D? If I close this?
Yeah.
And if
Actually,
I close, if I close this and the last line, if I open only this line, middle line, how it looks? 1D or not?
Yeah.
If I open only this one, how it looks? 1D or not?
Correct.
So I can make one comment like a two-dimensional array or a multi-dimensional array is a combination of several 1D arrays. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I can make a statement: a multi-dimensional array is a combination of several 1D arrays. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes or no? See, if I hide this
Correct.
line and the other line, if I hide these two lines, it looks like 1D. If I open
Correct.
this line, it's like 1D again. So again, if I
Correct.
open this, it looks like 1D. So a multi-dimensional
Hmm.
is a combination of several 1D arrays. Got it?
Yeah.
Now we will do one program on 2D also. Right? Now, array demo 3. How to initialize? I'm going with integer, okay? You can try with float also, it will work.
Yeah. Okay.
So while initialization, rows and column size is not required, as I told earlier.
Yeah.
And let me copy same array. Let me take. Already I have taken one here. Let me do the same thing. Is it not? Done.
Yeah.
Now
Done.
I want to display the same thing on the screen, whichever array I have initialized. I need to take two for
Hmm.
loops because it is 2D array. So generally two
Yeah.
for loops will come. Outer, inner will come. Int I is equal to 0. First one is outer. Outer loop means how many rows are there? I should be less than 3 rows are there. Yeah. I plus plus, close it. And then comes inner for loop. J equals 0. How many columns are there?
4.
First, let me take int. Yeah, j is less than 4 because indexing starts from 0, goes up to 3.
0.
Now, inside that, I want to display. Display means system dot.
System dot out dot C.
Don't take print ln. Why I will discuss. Wait.
Okay.
And then if you take print ln, shape will be different. I will discuss that. Just a minute.
Okay.
Now, what is the name of the array? Array
Array.
I by Z.
J.
And after this, you concatenate this with the tab space. So some organizer output you want, right? You can put like this.
Yeah.
I'll explain this. After that, we have to write another system dot out dot println. Empty println you have to write. Why I will explain. Wait. Let me close main. Let me close class. Let me save this. The name is array dot Java. And then let me run this. Mistake. What is that? Semicolon. I forgot semicolon. Oh, not semicolon. System dot out dot print. Where is the mistake?
Sir, array.
Here I put bracket.
Yeah.
That is the mistake. Yes, that is a mistake. Got it?
Yeah.
Now let me run this. How the shape is? Good.
Correct.
3
Yeah.
rows, 4 columns. Very clear.
Correct.
If I don't write tab space here, what is going to happen? See here. See the output, shape of the output. Doesn't look good. Is it
Okay.
not?
Yeah.
That's why you understood why I have given that.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I give print ln, what is going to happen? Let us see that also. Why I stopped writing print ln? Now we can understand. See the answer? Is it good?
Okay. Right.
ln means takes new line every time.
New line, correct, correct.
So it should come horizontally. And
Yeah.
moreover, tab space is also required. Got it? So first see how the loop iterates. Let me run this and then I will discuss about the loop, how it runs. Now the output is good.
Yeah.
Now how it runs. See, this is the outer loop. Which one? Rows.
Correct.
And this is the inner loop. Just assume outer gate, inner gate. College outer gate, class gate, inner gate. So college is open. I is equal to 0. 0 is the day. First day. Let us assume 0th day is the first day. Because indexing starts from 0, right?
Yeah.
0 is also a number. We are counting. So 0 is less than 3. True or false?
True.
Got inside. J is 0. That is also true or false? Don't forget.
True.
Here initially I is I'm writing here so that you can remember.
0.
And what is the current J?
0.
Right. I is 0. J is also 0.
0.
Now internally study this statement. System.out.print. No println is there. So array of 0 by 0. What is the element present in 0 by 0 position?
9.
9 will be displayed. Followed with some space, tab space. You got output? See the shape of the output? 9 horizontally, some space. Then J will increment. Don't go to outer loop. You are inside classroom. College is open. You got inside and first R is over. First period is over. J will increment, become 1. 1 is also true.
Correct.
So I can make J value as 1 next time.
1.
Now tell me the position. Array of I is still 0. Don't forget. First day. Second period. Is it not? 1 means second period. 0 by 1. What is there?
8.
8 will be displayed. And then again tab space. Got it? Next time J will become
2.
That is also true. Array of 0 by 2. 0 by 2, what is there?
0.
Yeah, that will be displayed. Then tab space. Then J will become
3.
3. That is also true. Array of 0 by 3. 1 will be displayed.
1.
After that again tab space. Then J becomes 4. Is it true? J becomes 4. True or false?
It is false because
false.
It is not. It is equal to 4.
So false means come away from inner loop. Where inner loop is closing? Here. After closing, what is there?
Println.
Means takes you to next line. Here. This line. Now again, college first day is over. Second day, I will increment.
Correct.
True or false?
True.
Second day you started going to college. And again first period will start. Again J becomes
0.
0. So what is the combination we are having? 1 by 0. First day, first period. I mean first day means second day. That is obviously. Second day, first period. 2 by
period.
1 by 0 means this is the element present.
8.
That will be displayed. Again tab space. Next 1 by
5.
1 by 1.
1 by 1
is 5. Next 1 by 2. 1 by
2.
3. After 3, 2. No chance.
3.
No chance means move to the new line. Third line. Got the third line? And again second day. Third day, that is 0, 1.
Third day.
Third day. Of course, I is 2. 2 is less than 3. True. Again, J starts from 0. Story begins from here. Morning, right? 2 by 0, 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 3. So 0, 5, 3, 2 will be displayed
5, 3, 2.
horizontally with some tab space in between them. Then again, new line. Next, any chance for 4 here?
No.
So let us come totally away from outer loop, that is here. We end set here.
Yeah.
Got it? Understood?
Correct.
That is how.
Yeah.
Same program, you can accept elements from keyboard and you can try. If you can't, we will do. Okay.
Sure.
So that is all about arrays. Okay. Same application you can try from keyboard. Means what you are going to take? Import IO package, java.io.star, throws exception or IO exception. Then that lengthy statement buffer
Buffer leader.
and then you declare array. How to declare? I told you.
Yeah.
I told you how to declare like this. Before that, before declaration, you need to accept rows and columns from keyboard.
Yeah.
Enter rows and columns. Means
Correct.
int r is equal to integer dot parseInt br dot readline. Next, int c, enter columns. Int c is equal to integer dot parseInt br dot readline. Rows and columns are confirmed by you by giving inputs from keyboard. Then
and then declaration.
You have to draw for loop inside another for loop. Then you have to accept elements from keyboard.
Correct.
How many elements? If it is going to be 3x4 matrix, 12 elements you have to accept from keyboard.
12 elements.
12 contiguous memory locations will be created. So again, I mean, just like this program, 2 for loops will be there now for that matter. And how to accept elements from keyboard? The array r by c is equal to integer dot parseInt br dot readline. Same story. Then finally, for display, again 2 for loops will come. You can display system dot out dot array r by c like that. So that is all about arrays, sir. You understood? Next concept. Shall I start or shall I move to the next concept or is it okay?
We can go to the next concept, sir. Accepting from keyboard, I will try and.
Okay, fine. I'll move to the next concept so that is I will go with the constructors concept today. Constructor. What is a new concept for you? Constructor. A constructor is a special method. It is also a method. Special method that can be invoked just by creating an object. Okay, that is constructor. So it is also a method. You know what is a method? What is a method? Just like a method, a constructor is also a method that can be invoked just by creating an object. What is that? We will see. But there are some rules and regulations in designing a constructor. Rules and regulations are there. What are there? What are those rules and regulations? We will see right now. Rule number 1. Name should be a constructor name. Constructor's name. Just 1 second, sir. I'm coming back.
Okay.
Okay, so some rules and regulations are there in designing a constructor. Rule number 1 is a constructor's name is must be same as that of the class class name. Okay, that is rule
Okay.
number 1. Rule number 2. For example, if the class name is demo, constructor name should be also
Demo.
demo, right? What is going on well? Because yeah, right. And then rule number 2, a constructor should not have any return type. A constructor should not have any return type. Within bracket, even void is not allowed. Not allowed. So this is wrong. I will give you example. Int demo. Is this correct? Constructor should not have any return type. But
Yeah.
here return type is there.
Yeah.
Is wrong. It's wrong. Then can I go like this?
No.
Even void is not allowed. Then how to do? Is this correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Correct. Because its name is same as that of the class name. For example, if the class name is like this, things should be like this. What is the class name and what is the constructor name?
Demo.
This is correct.
Demo.
Class name is demo. Constructor name is demo.
Yeah.
It is not a method, a special method whose name should be same as that of the class name.
Class name.
Rule 1 is satisfied.
Yeah.
And what about rule number 2? Constructor should not have any return type. Even void
Types.
not allowed. Is it not? So
Yeah.
this is wrong one. This will not work. Is it not? Similarly,
Yeah.
this is also wrong one. Why? Because void, even void is not allowed. The last one is correct one.
Correct.
And rule number 3, let us go with rule number 3. A constructor should be always declared as public. What is public? Later on we will discuss. Just remember that word for time being. At appropriate time I will discuss. During access specifiers, I will discuss about private, protected, public, no modifier. Till then, just remember a constructor should be always declared as public. As public. Should be always declared as public. Means what is wrong here? Right?
Public.
Well, like this information. That is a way to design constructor. And how to call, how to invoke a constructor. A constructor cannot be invoked just like normal method. Constructor cannot be invoked like a normal method, like a but just by creating an object. An object, constructor will be invoked. So a constructor cannot be invoked like how a normal method will be invoked if a normal method is there. And of course, this is correct. And it is a constructor, correct constructor. This is a constructor, how you are defining here. This is a constructor. And how to invoke a constructor and how to invoke a normal member function. Things are different. So I don't declare. I want to write some code internally. You can put some code for constructor like that. Is it not?
Hmm.
Internally, you can put
Yeah.
some code like this. And how to invoke that? How to invoke a constructor? That's what I'm discussing. And see the last point. Based on that, we will see here how to invoke the above constructor. Like if a method is there, that is different story. For example, let me go with a non-static method also in this program. So non-static method means, can I write like this? Void find. Is it a method or not?
Yeah.
Put some code like this inside a method. Got it? What is the
Yeah.
difference between this and that? One is a constructor, the other one is a non-static
Method.
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 How to invoke the above constructor? How to invoke the above non-static method and constructor? Because both are there now. Non-static
Yeah.
and constructor. That is the question. How to invoke, first of all, non-static method. Invoke non-static method. That you know pretty well. We have done that before. Create object. How to create object?
Yeah.
You know how to create object? Class name is
Demo. D is equal to new demo.
right. Object is created. Then object reference
Uh,
dot. What is the method? That is the way.
yeah.
But how to invoke a constructor? That is different, right? Invoke a constructor.
Yeah.
Just to create an object, that is enough. How to create object? Like this. Already object is created. Constructor is invoked here.
Correct.
Here itself constructor is invoked. I need not write again here, right?
Yeah.
Just to
Yeah.
create object. That is done here. Got it?
Hmm.
How to invoke a constructor? Only one line. One line. It is VIP, very important person, just like
Yeah.
VIP darshan, right?
Correct. Correct.
How easy.
Yeah.
For VIPs, things will be very easy. But for ordinary
Hmm.
people, see, how many steps are there?
2.
Steps. To invoke a non-static method, how many steps are there?
2.
2 steps. For invoking VIP, like a constructor, how many steps are required?
1.
1 step. So whenever you create object, a constructor will be invoked. See the definition now?
Okay.
A constructor is a special method that can be invoked just by,
Just by creating an object.
yeah, here just we have created object, means constructor is called, means invoked, is it not?
Yeah.
Again, d dot find is not required. That's what I'm saying. D dot find is not required.
Yeah. Yeah.
To invoke non-static method, first create object, then invoke by doing
Invoke.
d dot find. I mean object
D
dot
dot find.
method name.
Method name.
So a constructor is a very special thing. Only one step is required. That is just create an object. But you can question or you can think like this. Till now we have done so many programs. In the beginning, especially whenever I created a class and gone with couple of user-defined non-static methods, I have created object and then invoked those methods, right?
Hmm.
Means in them also I have created object. I have done this before so many times. I have created objects so many times. Means
Yeah. Yeah.
constructor is called in those programs or not.
Yeah.
Even though constructor is not there, invisibly there will be a default constructor in every program. Okay, that is another
Okay.
point which we have to remember. By default,
Hmm.
that is not a rule, but you can understand. You can understand. Just 1 minute, sir. One call is coming.
Okay.
Don't go to the waste call. Bank of Baroda, which Bank of Baroda? Which branch? No, I'm not interested in any other thing. No, I'm not interested. Okay, right. Without find, we have invoked that. What I'm going to tell? The constructor, okay. I'm telling some point, and these guys, business people, disturbing. బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ బరోడా హిందీలో మాట్లాడుతున్నా. నాకు హిందీలో అకౌంట్ తెలుగు ఇక్కడ మాకు లోకల్ ఉంది, తెలుగులోనే ఉంది. అదేదో కేవైసీ నెంబర్లో ఈ అడుగుతారు, అంత మించి డేంజరస్ థింగ్ కదా. షుడ్ నాట్ గివ్. So here I'm telling some point, and these people are disturbed. How disturbed? చెప్దాం అనుకున్నాను, మర్చిపోయాను. Yeah. In every it's not a rule, but you can understand one important point. I will open some program, you can understand that. Way back we have done. Let me open some programs. For you, I explained those programs in the past. See, you open some program from the animal, you can open, otherwise, yeah. Did you create object in this program or not? Can you see here? An object is created. Animal is the class. Couple of non-static methods are there. You invoked them pretty well, but we have created an object. This is the shortest way I told. This is also correct. You can see. So you have created an object here. Means constructor is invoked or not?
Correct.
But in the above program, it is not visible. But still, a constructor will be there. You have to believe that an invisible constructor will be there in every program. That is called as default constructor. Okay. And job is to initialize variables. I will write down that step here. Note. Let me put one note here. In every program, whenever we create an object, default constructor will be invoked. Whose purpose is to initialize variables. Whose purpose is to initialize variables. Understood? So in every program, whenever we create an object, a default constructor will be invoked. Whose purpose is to initialize variables. That we will see soon. Even if it is not visible to you also, within bracket, even if it is not visible, even it's not done by a programmer, means not visible, it's invisible.
Correct.
Okay, that is the meaning of that. And types of constructors, two types of constructors are there. Types of constructors, there are two types. Number one, default constructor. Two, otherwise you can call it as non-parameterized constructor. That is also correct. One is parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. Constructor with arguments. These are the rules and regulations. Let me save this. So now this is the time I can write one program on that. You can understand on constructor. Okay. One class. Class name is demo. So inside that, I want to design a constructor. How to design a constructor? Its name should be same as that of the class name,
Class.
right?
Yeah.
It should not have any return type.
Correct.
Even void is not allowed.
Yeah.
And it should be always
Correct. Public.
public. Right. Inside that, you can put some code. You can write some message also, but the main intention of a constructor is to initialize variables. Let me declare one variable earlier like this, int x. Okay, x is declared,
Yeah.
and inside the constructor it is initialized. Is it not? And
Correct.
then what to do? I want to design a parameterizer constructor also. Demo. Got it?
Hmm.
This is parameterizer constructor. And here I want to just not only initializing x, I want to display square of that. Square of x. I want to display square of x. How do you find square of x? Very simple. X into
X.
what I want to do here. And inside parameterizer constructor also, I want to display system dot I want to find square root this time, square root of x. So there is one function called as sqrt present in math. Math is the class in which sqrt function is present. Square root of x. Write like this, math dot sqrt of x. So what is the meaning of this? Sqrt is a predefined method. The parameterized method. You can pass argument like x, which I passed here. And it is a static method present in math class. Okay, predefined. So I have written M capital letter, you can see.
Correct.
So sqrt is a static method present in class. How to invoke static methods? Class name dot method. Out is a static variable, I told you, remembered? Out is a static variable present in system class.
System.
Similarly, in is a static variable present in system class.
Keyboard.
How you invoked in and out? Both should be invoked with the help of system. System is a class. Static variables can be invoked with the help of class name. Class name dot method name. Got it?
Yeah.
Right. So I want to find square root of this. Use this. I want to go with one more constructor. Demo. X comma y. Inside that, I want to find sum of system dot out dot println. Sum I want to find. How do you find sum? Within bracket x plus y.
Y.
Another constructor I want to go. See how many parameterized, and this is the only default constructor, right? We'll add a comment, you can understand.
Yeah.
And these are all parameterized constructors from here onwards. Is it not? Constructors. And so many parameterized constructors I am writing in this program. You can see here clearly float x, comma, float y is the other one. Inside that, I just want to display x is equal to x plus, give some tab space after that, plus y is equal to tab space y, like that. And another, why I'm giving these many parameterized constructors, I'll let you know. Wait, how these are invoked. I want to show all these varieties in this program. Int x and the float y. Float y. Same story. I want to display x and y. And again, same story. Demo. This time, first the float I want to take. Y. That's it. And I want to go with the main method. Inside that, so I told you how many constructors are there in this program totally. One default, and how many parameters?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. 5 are there.
Yeah.
So 5 parameterized, 1 default. Total 6 are there.
Default.
Is it not?
Correct.
6 are there. So you have to create 6 different objects to call all these constructors. Mandatory. D1 is equal to new demo. See how many objects I am creating. See here. D2 is equal to new demo. Within bracket I am passing 4, 8.67 f. F means float. Demo D3 is equal to demo. Next time I'm doing like this 7.12 f, 9. D4 is equal to within bracket couple of integers 5, 7. And D5 is equal to total 6 constructors, right?
Yeah.
Both decimals are also there at one time. And one more I'm going to invoke. Demo D6 is equal to, see, every time I am creating new object, fresh object.
Yeah.
16. Closing main method, closing class also. Sorry. And then let me save this name demo. And let me create programs. Another folder. Constructors. Side constructors. Oh, sorry. Let me save this program with the name demo.java. Now let us run this. It is present in which folder? Come away from that. CD constructors.
Demo.java.
Oh, so many mistakes. Why? Public static void mains. Braces are there. Oh, I typed CD here. Something I typed. Maybe that. Let me run. Oh, still errors. Why? What it is showing? Semicolon expected. Somewhere I missed semicolon. It is saying where I missed that. I missed semicolon. It is saying, but it is not semicolon. Maybe some other mistake. Let me check here. It's showing int-x semicolon. Int-x semicolon. Expected int-x semicolon. Where it is? Oh, int-x. Yeah, semicolon. It is there. Int-x semicolon demo. X equals 9. That is done. Oh, where is the mistake? Is this not working? Square math not sqrt. It's present in lang package only. It should work. It is not the issue. No, exactly is the issue. Let us scrap that. 28th line semicolon. 28th line. Public static void main string args. Let me check again. Class demo public colon int-x default constructor is there. Square of x. Okay. Parameterized constructors. Semicolon is there. I have written demo int-x int y. Sum is so and so. It is okay. This is okay. That is also same mistake. Oh, here I missed brace or not opening brace.
Oh, yeah.
It's opening brace in between. That is the problem. It won't say like that. Still mistakes are. Yeah, public after public int x semicolon accepted. Okay. Maybe this is the problem for that. Int x I have declared after public. That is maybe a problem for that. Let me check it. Okay. No, that is not the problem. Int x, it became private and constructor it won't display. That is not the issue. It's correct only. I can do this. I can do like this. Let me try. No, it is not the thing. Why it is not accepting? It should accept this. Showing here only third line public colon error expected class demo. Yeah, x equals 9. What is wrong in that? Otherwise I will do one thing. Yeah, you can initialize variables inside. X is equal to 9. What is there? Okay, maybe square root whenever you take square of x. Yeah, it is acceptable. X is integer. It should be acceptable. Opening brace here, system out square of x into x. Everything is fine. Again, same mistake. Public colon error identifier expected semicolon int x. What is wrong in that? Only here only it is showing mistake. Okay, I will do one thing and I will come back. Just a minute. I will put a comment here. Here also I will put a comment. I will just display some message here. It will print or not. Print. Say default constructor we are inside. Now it will work. Check if the problem is only with x. I will set it right soon. Oh, These many, why braces problem, I think still. See how many openings are there? Class started, constructor started. Any braces missing? Maybe braces problem is there still. Main method closed, class closed. No mistake. No mistake at all. Demo. Where is the mistake really? Class demo, public, index, default constructor is there. But if I do this, it is showing so many other mistakes. Why it is showing? It should not come like this. Very simple application. What is the problem with that? 28th line. What is 28th line? Illegal start of expression Java demo.java. Third line, illegal start of type public. Type public it is showing. What happened to that? Oh, sorry. By default, here it is public. You need not give public. That may be the problem. Yes. Sorry. In C++, we have to give public. But here by default, it will be public only. Yes. Got it?
Yeah.
These days, I am teaching C++. Sometimes I am forgetting very small things. So by default, it will be public and you need not give any public access specifier here. That is the mistake. So I will correct in the notes also. Let me correct that point. I will correct that point. By default, it will be public only. A constructor should be always declared as public and by default, if you don't write anything, it is considered as public only. Okay?
Public, yeah.
In Java, not in C++. C++ opposite. A constructor should be always declared as public and by default in Java, it will be public. Public if you don't write anything. Hey, small mistake. A constructor should be always declared as public. Means you need not write public. By default in Java, it will be public. If we don't write anything, by default, it will consider public only. So you should not write this. That makes another meaning. Later on, I will explain that. Okay, like that. Now, what is the correction? Now you can also open these comments. It will work.
Yeah.
It will work. Like that. Let me open these comments. Maybe up to 1. Is it okay, sir? We'll close it.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
We'll close it 1.
Yeah.
Because we got struck at a small reason here.
Correct.
No. Okay, this is okay now. Code looks good. We will run this program immediately. Again, compile, success.
Yeah.
Now let us run this program. See the output? Got it?
Yeah.
Square root of x, I have taken 9.
Yeah.
Square of x, sorry, square of x, 81. DC, I have given one message. Got it? And where is square root? Yeah, here is the square root of x, 4.0.
Yeah.
Yes. How we got these things? Let us examine this code. So whatever I have written, forget about that. Program execution starts from the opening brace of main method.
Public stack.
In that, what is the first step? An object is created.
Correct.
Okay. Which constructor is invoked? That is one question. Which constructor is called whenever you create D1 object? Because 6 constructors are there altogether. Is it not? We counted in the beginning. When 6 constructors are there, which constructor got invoked?
Oh, sir, you're asking me, sir?
Yeah. We have created how many objects?
6.
Because 6 constructors are there. So with the first object creation, which constructor is invoked?
First one, I think.
No, not you think, but it is because obviously that is the only choice. And
Yeah.
how human brain will work for this? We are having some ideas in ourselves. They should come out. What are
Yeah.
those ideas?
Hmm.
If you have a close look, why you are strongly believing that first constructor is only called? Your answer is correct, but something is running in
Yeah.
your brain. What is that? Can you come out of? Can you open that? Why you are strongly believing that this is invoked? When six are there, why you are recommending first one? Any strong reason behind that? See, am I passing any arguments?
No.
No. Means the obvious choice. In remaining things, see, parameters are there.
Oh, yeah.
Parameters.
Correct.
So obviously you are looking at no parameter.
Parameter. Correct.
That is the reason behind your thinking, I believe, right?
Yeah.
That's why you have voted for
Yeah.
that. Your choice is that.
Correct.
So it depends upon, so you can write some points here. Point number one, I'll put here in this way. Point number one, number of arguments. Is it not? It depends upon number of arguments. Now tell me. Second object is created. Which constructor is called? Another new object is created. Which constructor is called? Can you tell me?
Square root.
No. Have a close look. How many arguments I passed? How many? See, within brackets, what are there? How many arguments are there?
1, 2, 3. Two.
Two arguments. One is integer.
Yeah.
The other one is
float.
Means,
yeah,
of course, I will ask
so
you
the third
I
one.
will come back with that. Just a minute. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, here you tell about this object D4. It will be much easier for you. First you will come with this. When I created D4,
both
D4 object, so how many arguments you are
so
passing?
both are integers.
Both are integers. Means
so
number of arguments are two. How many? Wait.
Two.
How many arguments are there?
Two.
But how many times I have gone with the two arguments? How many times?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
5 times.
Yeah.
No. 2 arguments, 4 times.
4 times, sir, actually.
4 times.
Yeah.
So among these, one should be correct. Is it not?
Correct.
But both are
the first
integers.
one.
Both are integers means?
Obviously. Int X, int Y.
Yeah. Means the perfect match is this.
Sum.
Because you are looking at type of arguments this time.
Correct.
Because when all of them are having two every time. See, every time two arguments, 2 parameters are there. Is it not? 2.
Correct.
Every time 2. So which 2 your choice is going to be? You are depending on type integers. Of arguments. You are looking at a type.
Data types.
Here both are float. It is not correct.
Yeah.
Means the deciding factor can be number of arguments or type of
data
arguments. Type of arguments.
Yeah.
Now tell me. Based on that, you can have your choice here also. Both arguments are.
Both are float.
Float. Means obvious choice is type. Here is it a match?
Float. Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Now tell me. Now let us come back to second object. Yeah. Now tell me.
So one is int and other one is float.
1 int, 1 float. How many?
Correct.
How many times you are having that combination? 1 int, 1 float. Combination. Twice. But still among these two, which you are preferring? First one or next one?
First one.
Why? Strongly you are
Because the
recommending
first
something.
one is integer and the next one is float.
That you can call as sequence of arguments. Got it?
Okay.
That
Yeah,
is
yeah.
also a deciding factor. Sequence of. So based on this, you are going to decide. And this is known as method signature. Method. And one more thing I want to tell you is, it may take 115, sir. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. No problem.
Right. Because let me complete this so that again I need not start
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
Right?
sure.
We can go to the next topic in
Sure.
the next class. Fresh concept.
Okay.
So in this program, 6 constructors are there, 6 objects are created, and just now we have differentiated here. Whenever you have created a new object based on number of arguments, type of arguments, and a sequence of arguments, you are going to
Sequence of
decide. And see, all the times there is one thing in common in this program with respect to constructors. What is that common thing? Can you tell me? Common thing among these constructors. What is that? One common thing can
Last
you?
name is.
I mean, constructor name is same.
Yeah, yeah.
Name is same. Demo. 6 times demo I have
Yeah.
done. Names
Right.
are same, but what is different? They are differing in either number of arguments or
Yeah.
type of arguments,
Type
or
of arguments or sequence.
that is known as method signature. Signatures are different. Got it?
Yeah.
And moreover, same function. I mean, a constructor is also a function. I mean, method, I told you, right? A special method. Special method, right? I mean, VIPs are also human
Yeah.
beings, special human beings.
Correct.
Is it not? So here also a
Yeah.
constructor is also a method, but a special method. Okay, that is okay. Now, same method doing different tasks or not?
Yeah, correct.
Same method, demo. Name is same. For example, I am the
Yeah.
same person teaching one time Java, one time Python, one time C, one time C++. Means, am I overloaded or not?
Yeah.
Got it? That is known as overloading.
Yeah.
Understood?
Correct.
This is an example for
Yeah.
constructor overloading. Okay. It is one of the important feature of OOPS. There are some features of OOPS. Okay, like class, object. Of course, you can call it as an object. Object means class will be there, of course. Without class, there is no object, right? Without idea, there is no object.
Yeah.
Correct, and then inheritance, polymorphism. And inside polymorphism, it is a way to achieve polymorphism. Constructor overloading or method overloading is a way to achieve polymorphism. And what is polymorphism? Poly means many, morphous means forms. Many. What is poly? Better I write in other place, not here. This time. This point better I write in your notes. We are discussing about constructor overloading, right? What is polymorphism? Poly means many. Morphous means forms. Poly means many and morphous means forms. It's a Greek word. It's a Greek word. Greek word means methods with the same name exhibiting methods. Same name exhibiting different tasks. Okay. Task means implementation. Otherwise, you can also call it as implementation or definition, or you can call it as definition also for that matter. You try to understand this. Methods with the same name. Of course, constructor is also a method. I told you, right? A special method.
Yeah.
So methods with same name exhibiting different tasks or not. Have a close look at the program.
Correct.
Different tasks are there. One time it is finding sum of couple of numbers.
Yeah.
Same demo. Another time it is finding square root. Another time
Yeah.
it's going to find square. Is it
Yeah.
not square? At another time it is just
Yeah.
displaying x and y.
Yeah.
Not. That is why we can make a strong statement that methods with the same name exhibiting different tasks or implementation or behavior. You can also use the word behavior. Different behaviors it is exhibiting or not.
Yeah.
Behaviors. So methods with the same name exhibiting different tasks is known as polymorphism. That is polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
And what are the examples for polymorphism? It can be done in two ways. It can be two ways. What are they? Method overloading is there. One is, of course, constructor also is a method. I'm not subdividing that. Method overloading. And the other one is method overriding. Okay. Two ways of doing that. Method overloading and overriding. Overriding, I won't discuss. Overriding, we will discuss after inheritance concept, because without knowing inheritance, you can't understand that. Okay. So now let us discuss about method overloading. Overloading. What is that? Before that, we have gone through constructor overloading in this program. Let us discuss about constructor overloading. Of course, constructor separately I need not write. I can put in method overloading itself. Methods with the same name. Is it not? Methods with same name.
Same name.
Different signature. Signature means what? I will tell you. Methods with same name but different signature. Signature means
some
different. They are different with respect
finding
to
some
number of arguments or type of arguments or sequence of arguments. That point we have to mention. Methods with the same name but different signature. Signature means differing in
number of arguments, type of arguments, sequence
differing
of
in
arguments.
either number of arguments or
sequence or
type of arguments. Type is also differentiating, is it not? Or sequence of arguments. Methods are having same name. Just now we have seen all demo. But what is different?
Correct.
Signature is different. Not only signature, but different signature, different signatures, and behaviors also different. Different or not? Behaviors are also different. And behaviors means, what is that? Definitions. One time sum, one time maybe difference if you write. One time square root, one time square, one time just displaying them. Is it not? That is different definitions. Or you can call it as implementations also. Tasks, otherwise you can call it as task, work, just. Okay. So that is method overloading. Method overloading is a task, is a way to achieve polymorphism. In that context, methods with the same name but different signatures exhibiting different behaviors. Leads to method overloading. Leads to method overloading. Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
So that is the example. In this program, we have gone with constructor overloading. But if I write same name, will it work? Let us check that also. See, D1, D1, will it work? See, it won't work. It won't work. It will reset. See, what is the output? See here.
Variable D1 is already defined.
Already it is there. How can
Method
you
name
do that on? How can you apply that on another object, another constructor?
Yeah.
Duster is duster, chalkstick is chalkstick. Different, na? Both cannot be same.
Yeah, yeah.
That work is different. This work is different. And moreover, whenever you want to invoke a constructor, you have to create a new object. D1 is already there. How can you do that again? You go with a different object. Got it?
Yeah.
But this is accepted. I will write this point. This is not acceptable. This will not work. Is it not?
Correct.
No, see, this will not work. This will not. Oh, sorry. This will not work. But what will work? This will work.
Demo D3, D2.
D2. Is equal to 3 is already there again.
Yeah, yeah.
You can take D7 also, no issues. D7 is not there. You can take D7.
Correct.
That
yeah,
is
yeah.
And internally 4, 8 point.
8.67.
And then one more issue. What is that? Can I go with D1 one more time here? That is also not possible, is it not? Already D1 is created. How can you do it? That is the only problem. Just now I elevated. Is it not?
Correct.
Again, this is not for parameterizer. You can ask me for parameterizer. You cannot go with the D1 again. You said why not I go with the non-parameterizer again? That is also not acceptable. See, it will hint you. It will suggest you. Not recommended. Yeah. D1 is already there. Why you are doing again? It is saying.
Yeah.
So this is also not acceptable.
Wrong.
This will not work. This will not work. Then what to do? Then the question is what to do. Again, I want to call the default constructor one more time. Go with the D7. Now, is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Yes, why not? See, it will accept. Sure. 100%. Is it not?
Yeah.
Accepted. Got it. How many times you got square of x? See?
Square of x.
2 times.
Twice.
Because you called 2 times with 2 different objects. Is it not?
Yeah.
And what is the advantage? You can ask me a question. Because see, one time I found sum for 5 plus 7. This time see what I am doing. D8. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So for a different set, I want to find sum. Got it. 5 plus 7, 12. 9 plus 8, 17.
17.
You'll get both. You got 12 and 17?
12, 17. Yeah.
That is advantage. Multiple. Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Okay.
Hello? Evaru? Yeah. Yes, sir. Which file, sir? I have submitted on that day. I have submitted.